Good afternoon. This is Olivia Shada's group presenting drawings. So in accounting, drawing refer to assets taken from a business by its owner for personal use. Drawings can be in form of cash. For example, the owner takes cash from the register to pay for a personal expense. They can also be in form of goods, like the owner takes inventory for personal use. For example, a restaurant owner taking a bottle of wine home. And also drawings can also be in form of other assets. That is to say, using a company-owned asset for personal reasons. For example, the owner using a business vehicle for a family vacation. So let's start with the way cash can be handled in QuickBooks if it's drawn. So you go to the chart of accounts and create an account called drawings. So you choose an account type. For drawings, it's equity. Then continue. You put the account name. Let's name it Shadia's Drawing. Then you can also put the opening balance. Let's assume it's 2M. Remember, we are dealing with how cash is handled in case it is withdrawn from the business for personal use. Let's assume the shareholder withdrawn 2 million from the business for personal use on 10 October. We press OK, save and close. So we have two ways how we can record drawings. You can either write a check or go to the general journal. Let's first write a check. So the first method how we can handle a cash drawing is by writing a check. So you come here and write checks. So here there is DTB Bank because that's the account where our payments are made. So here on pay to the order of, you put the name of the person who is taking the money. So you come here on add new. Remember we said the person taking the money is a shareholder. So you come and click here on other since it's not here. Press OK. Then you write the name of the person. Let's say Shadi. Then you click on OK. Then you come on these tabs. Remember, come here on these tabs and click on the expenses tab since we want to put an account. So you choose an account called Shadia's Drawing where the money is supposed to go. Remember we created that account in the chart of accounts. Then here on amount, remember in the chart of accounts, on the part of opening balance, we recorded it as 2 million. Then you can save and close. We also have another method where drawings by cash can be recorded. So you make a general journal. come on company and then you look for make general journal entries. So here we are going to credit the bank accounts and debit the drawings accounts. And that is DTB Bank. We are choosing DTB Bank because this is a default account for payments. So you write the 2M. And then here you write the drawings account, and that is Shadia's drawings. You also put 2M. We are debiting it because it's increasing. So here you sell and close. Then another we can record drawing, that is in the case where the owner takes goods from the business for personal use. So you come to the chart of account and you create two accounts. That's the inventory assets and the owner's drawings. But the inventory assets is already there by default. And then let's use Shadia's drawings, which we already created. So after there, you come in the general journal to record the transaction. So you come on company, make general journal entries. Okay. So here we are going to debit the owner's drawing and credit the inventory asset account. Click on inventory assets. Let's assume the goods were for 4M. You credit it. We are crediting it because the account is decreasing. Then here you put the Shadia's drawing. That is also 4M. You save and close. So we also have another form of drawings that is in form of other assets. For example, fixed assets. You're going to come to the chart of accounts and create 3 accounts. Let's assume the owner used a motor vehicle for the business for personal use. So you're going to be with the motor van account, accumulated depreciation motor van account, and the drawings. So you come to the account, you choose fixed assets. Rename it motor vehicle. Let's put the opening balance. Let's assume the cost is 5M as of 11 October. Save and close. Let's go back and create another account called accumulated depreciation motor vehicle. You choose fixed assets. Let's put motor vehicle. motor vehicle depreciation, accumulated depreciation. Let's assume the accumulated depreciation was 2M. So let's put it here in the opening balance. Create a negative. Let's say negative 2M because the money is reducing as of 11 October. Okay, and then 7 close. Let's create. Anyways, we are not going to create the drawings account. We shall use the other one, Shadia's drawings. So you go to the general journal to record the transactions, the 3 accounts that were recorded. Company, make general journal entries. Press OK. So here we're going to have 3 accounts that are affected. That is the motor vehicle account, the accumulated depreciation motor vehicle account, and then also the drawing. So let's put motor vehicle. We are going to credit it since it's being removed from the business. Put 5M. Then the next account, that is the motor vehicle accumulated depreciation. We are going to debit it. We are going to change this amount. Remember we said 2M. And then another account that is affected, that is the drawing. We are going to use Shadia's drawing. After that, we save and close.